Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Lenovo Tab P11 Plus, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, connect your tablet to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store, log in if necessary, then type the Opera search query, like so. Once the needed app is found, click on the green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can just go ahead and launch it, as well as while opening Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple and basic setup procedure. So in here, click on this blue, first of all, you can either customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to Opera, or simply allow everything that it needs, or everything that it asks for, and well, after that you will be able to start using the browser already. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.